Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning CSS Responsive and how to use it. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please go through my latest book, The Idealism of Lord Ram. This book teaches us about the life journey of Lord Ram. The link of this book is in the description box. Do read this book, you'll surely love it. Now let's start with the tutorial. CSS responsiveness helps make your web page look good on all devices. To make any web page responsiveness, you need to add following documents under head tags. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0 /. After inserting the above line in head tags, if you need to add styling for specific screen width, add following code in the CSS part. Let's see a quick demonstration. We have taken two div element and styled the entire web page using basic CSS. We have also added meta tag in the head tag, and then we will make the web page responsive. We have changed the styling for the screen size less than equal to 500 pixel. It means whenever we will reduce the size of the screen to 500 pixel or less, the CSS written inside the media query will be implemented. Do subscribe to this channel as we are going to do various projects in upcoming videos, which will help you improve your web development skills. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.